Now in Repero, it is possible to ask our clients for a signature to be stored in the system. In this example, we have a client called Dion. In a repair, we have the signatures drop-down button. It will show us the list of already collected signatures for this repair, if we have any. We can also create a new signature document to be signed by our client. After clicking Create, we will see a new window where we can decide which text will be presented on the signature document. We can reuse text from the custom pages, which we can change in the settings. Then we don't need to write the same text again. We can also select None if you want to write the text from scratch. In this example, we use a preset from custom pages that applies the client's name and the product information. We can also add more text only in this step. We cannot change this text after we have collected the signature. When we are happy with this document, we can go to the next step to collect the signature from the client. Here, the client can sign the document. If he makes a mistake or wants to sign again, we can click the Clear button. After we are done, we should see the new signature under our Signatures drop-down button.